What is the Transgender Privacy Act?
The Transgender Privacy Act, also known as Senate Bill 59 or SB 59, was signed into law by Governor Gavin Newsom in October 2025. It protects the privacy of transgender, gender diverse, and intersex people who change their legal name or gender marker through the California courts. It makes all court records for legal name and gender marker changes confidential. It also creates new legal protections if someone publishes or discloses your confidential records without your consent.
What does it mean to make the court records confidential? Is that the same as sealing the records?
No, sealing court records is not the same thing as making them confidential. When court records are confidential, generally only you or your attorney can access them. When court records are sealed, generally nobody can access them without a court order. The process to seal court records can be costly and take a significant amount of time. SB 59 allows for a process to make your court records inaccessible to the public without the burden of additional costs.
When does the Transgender Privacy Act go into effect?
The law is effective immediately, but because the administrative process will be implemented in phases, the law will impact TGI people depending on if they already have a court order changing their legal name and gender marker, or if they plan on pursuing it in the future. For adults that have already completed the process to legally change their name and/or gender marker, and adults that plan on starting the process before July 1st of 2026 will need to file an additional form with the court instructing the judge to make the court documents confidential. You do not need to pay an additional filing fee when you do this. However, starting July 1st, 2026, all legal name and gender marker changes for adults will automatically be confidential, and an additional form is no longer necessary. For minors that completed the process to legally change their name and/or gender marker before January 1st of 2024, will need to file an additional form with the court instructing the judge to make the court documents confidential. You do not need to pay an additional filing fee when you do this. However, for minors that completed the process on or after January 1st, 2024, the court document should automatically be confidential and an additional form isn't necessary. Although the process should be smooth and easy, I've seen many cases where courts and judges are not properly following the law and need some additional education. For example, we've seen many courts try to make people pay an additional filing fee when they're filing the SB 59 form. If you have questions about the Transgender Privacy Act, want assistance with filling out the forms, or are experiencing issues with judges and courts not following the law, contact us at the Transgender Rights Project for free assistance.